So with these first two checkpoint exercises over qualitative graphs, be sure to reference the above graphs. I'm going to sketch them here just to give us an idea, but it's better to view the actual graphs. We have time, we have speed. All right, what we're given with this graph here is that we're told that it represents the speed of a car on a small roller coaster at an amusement park. Describe the speed of the car over time. So we start off with a slow and steady speed. Maybe that's when it's going up its first hill, and then we're going faster. So maybe that's when it's going down the hill. Here, let's say it's at the bottom of the hill. That's when it's at its fastest speed. And then let's say it flattens out, so it's decreasing. So a flat spot, decreasing speed. Maybe it's going around a couple corners, and then it's slowing down even more. And then finally it comes to a stop. With number 2, make that a little less steep. So with number 2, we are given that it shows the speed of a car over time. We're told to draw a qualitative graph that shows the distance the car travels over time. Then describe how the distance changes over time. So if we're looking at, here's the speed, and so here's the speed in the y direction, time is going to cross. So let's draw a qualitative graph here to represent that with time and distance. So its speed is steadily increasing at first, and then the speed stays at a constant. So we'll show that it's increasing. So the distance is increasing at a somewhat steady speed at first, and then, the speed is increasing, and then the speed stays constant for a while. Doesn't really waver much, and then it slows down, so the distance over time slows down as well. So, and then we're asked to describe how the distance changes as time passes. So we could say that as time increases, distance increases at a varied rate, and then it levels off when the car stops, which would be right here, where the distance isn't increasing anymore because the car has stopped. All right, number 3. We're told that a lioness is waiting in tall grass for a gazelle to come close. When it gets close enough, the lioness chases after the gazelle, picking up speed as it runs until it pounces on the gazelle. And then we're asked to graph a qualitative graph to represent the situation. So we have here time and speed. So it starts off with it's resting in the grass. So it's not moving. It's resting in the grass, waiting for the gazelle, and then it gets close and it takes off after the gazelle, picking up speed as it runs. So it starts off faster, and then it picks up faster and faster, and then it doesn't ask for it, but let's say it goes ahead and catches the gazelle, and well, then it's going to come to an abrupt stop. I didn't ask for this last part because that's where it's going to come to a stop. But what was described with the lioness waiting, and then runs after the gazelle and is picking up speed as it chases after the gazelle.